Welcome back to Vehicle Inspector. The 2025 Nissan Patrol Luxury is set to make a significant impact with several upgrades and enhancements over its predecessor. Here's a breakdown of what's new and what you can expect from this luxury SUV. The 2025 Nissan Patrol Luxury features a new 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, replacing the previous 5.6-liter V8. This new engine delivers 336 kilowatts of power and 698 newton-meters of torque, providing a more powerful yet efficient driving experience. This is paired with a new 9-speed automatic transmission, offering improved performance and smoother gear shifts. The exterior design of the 2025 Patrol has seen subtle yet impactful changes. The front grille has been redesigned, featuring thinner horizontal bars and a honeycomb-like texture at the lower section. The SUV retains its robust silhouette, but with modernized elements like new LED headlamps and a more aerodynamic shape, it continues to be both imposing and refined on the road. Inside, the Patrol is expected to offer a completely new interior that aligns with luxury standards. Though details specific to the Patrol are not fully disclosed, its luxury counterpart, the Infiniti QX80, hints at features such as a 2-spoke steering wheel, a single-panel digital instrument cluster, and an advanced infotainment screen. These upgrades point to a high-tech, comfortable, and premium cabin experience. The shift to a twin-turbo V6 is expected to improve fuel efficiency compared to the outgoing V8, though exact mileage figures have yet to be released. The focus on efficiency does not compromise the vehicle's power and off-road capability, making it a strong contender in its class. Price. While official pricing is still under wraps, the 2025 Nissan Patrol is expected to be priced competitively within the luxury SUV segment, likely starting at a premium over the current model. Pricing will vary by market and available trims. Expected release in global markets. The 2025 Nissan Patrol is set to be fully revealed on September 4th, 2024, with a global rollout expected soon after. The vehicle will likely reach showrooms in key markets, including the Middle East, Australia, and parts of Asia, by late 2024 or early 2025. The 2025 Nissan Patrol Luxury promises to be a powerful and technologically advanced SUV that continues to build on its legacy of off-road capability and luxury.